Hey guys, welcome back to another Zeeknowledge video, and today we are here once again to help you improve your knowledge on some basic things in the world. And today we are going to take a look into some of the most unusual restaurants around the world. So these days it is a very common practice to go out to have dinner with a friend or family member. However, the restaurants on our list are completely unusual and they are like nothing you've ever seen before. Anyways, before we begin, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for future videos, and please check out our previous videos as well. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Number 1. Etha Restaurant, Maldives. First of all, we would like to tell you the meaning of Etha, which means mother of pearl in Divehi language, which is the Maldivian language. And just as the name suggests, this is a very beautiful place and it is located 16 feet below sea level. The walls of this restaurant are made of glass, which means that people eating in this restaurant can observe the beautiful surrounding sea life. Also, this is not just a restaurant, it is also a hotel, which means that you can get a room underwater for a night or as long as you can afford. Number 2. Diner in the Sky. This is a chain of restaurants located in Belgium, Canada, Malaysia and other countries as well. However, it started in Belgium, and just as the name suggests, this restaurant is located in the sky and it's done with the help of a crane which lifts the people 160 feet above sea level, where they can order and eat whatever they want. And since there are no walls of this restaurant, people eating in this restaurant have to put on seatbelts and hang on while they are eating in the air. Number 3. Dake's Last Resort. This restaurant is located in America and has 17 branches all over the states, and it is unusual because on entry you are welcomed by the staff with insults and you are given a hat with insults written all over it. Also, if you happen to request anything such as a tissue paper or the menu, it gets thrown at you instead of being given to you, and people who go to this restaurant take it as a joke and come back happy. Number 4. The Modern Toilet Restaurant. This restaurant was founded in Taipei in China but now has branches all over the world. And just as the name suggests, this restaurant is themed like a toilet, which means that if you are eating in this restaurant, you will feel like you are eating in the toilet. And the seats of this restaurant are in the form of WCs and the food is served in miniature toilets. This restaurant first used to serve only ice creams, however now it serves all kinds of dishes in miniature toilets. Number 5. The Heart Attack Grill in Las Vegas in the United States. This restaurant is unusual because it is themed like a hospital and the staff here are dressed like doctors and nurses. Also, when you enter this restaurant, you are dressed like a patient and you are seated on a wheelchair. And the menu of this place includes things like bypass burger and double bypass burgers. And everything in this place is related to the medical department. Number 6. The Kayabukiya Restaurant in Tokyo, Japan. This restaurant is unusual because the waiters here are two monkeys named Yat-chan and Fuku-chan, and these monkeys have been licensed to work by the Tokyo Municipal Department and can only work 2 hours per day according to the Japanese law. Also, these monkeys have been trained by their owner to serve food according to the Japanese customs and culture, and people who go to this restaurant to eat give the monkeys soybean as a form of tip. So guys, what do you think about these restaurants? Please tell us in the comment section below and hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and please subscribe to stay tuned for future videos as well. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Till then, Zai Qian.